Okay, here we are, top of the volcano, Concepcion. This is how it looks. Inside! It's smoking a lot. This is Alex.
Yeah, buddy. We made it.
This is Scotty.
What up?
And that is Volcano Maderas. This is Ometepe Island. Woo! Clearing day. After a 4 or 3 or 2 hour hike on the rain. Pouring. We can see. Fucking awesome. Yee-hoo. Oh,
now
fuck.
you can see really far.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, here it smells sulfur.
Wow.
A lot.
It's deep down there.
It's wow. That's. Oh my god.
There's little islands over there.
Scotty is venturing into the volcano.
Peace, man. I'm going in.
Yeah, there he goes. Double backflip.